Hi, John Kasberg, President and owner of Genesis Medical.
And I'm Lester Power, Regional Sales Manager for Genesis Medical.
We're here today to talk to you about the newest addition to our pressure redistribution product line. It's called the Flowt mattress, made by American Medical out of Columbus, Ohio. And it's a unique product in that it incorporates ROHO technology inside a mattress replacement system. Historically, this has been available, as many of you know, through Genesis Medical as an overlay. And that's been problematic with frame, with a side rail issues that you all are facing these days. So what we've done is American Medical has incorporated the ROHO technology into a mattress-based system. This bolster is actually not made out of foam. Foam, when it burns, will give off toxic fumes. This, being a recycled product, will actually melt instead of burn, so you don't get those toxic fumes. The ROHO technology has a lot of therapeutic benefits. I'll let Lester tell you a little bit more about that.
Yeah, as John alluded to, this is one of the only mattresses I've seen out there that you're going to have the ROHO technology incorporated head to toe. With that being said, those of you that are familiar with ROHO technology know that it's great in addressing not only pressure, but shear and friction as well. In each individual crown, you have 6 degrees of motion to address those shear factors. So if we're trying to prevent a wound on a heel or treat a wound on a heel, ROHO technology is the ideal choice. Many air mattresses out there, they have bladders that run the width of the mattress, and they don't have those same 6 degrees of motion.
In addition, we've got a top cover. It's a 4-way stretch material, so what it'll do, it'll help optimize that immersion that we're looking for and that envelopment, right? So we don't lose anything therapeutically with this top cover. It's also waterproof, so if you have an incontinent patient or you spill anything on this on the cover, it won't pass through to the cells below. And it also incorporates a bolster. There's 4 of them. They're sturdy bolsters, so will help address your fall risk patients on top of that. It'll go on, this will fit any existing bed frame that you might have, so you don't have to store those out in the hallway. And the pressure readings, when we pressure map this is comparable to significantly higher end therapies. So we can address anything from a stage 1 to a stage 4 pressure ulcer. Lester?
John alluded to the immersion in this mattress. Many of you that use low air loss mattresses know that your patients can at times be fall risks. And by using a low air loss mattress, it acts sometimes as a way to increase those risks. Anyone has seen an air mattress knows the low air loss can cause the top cover to billow, almost in a way of propelling or increasing the likelihood of your resident coming out of the bed. You won't have that with this mattress, as the patient's going to be immersed. John alluded to the bolsters on the side. But what makes the Flowt really interesting as a mattress is it's 100% modular. So if any compartment or component breaks down or becomes damaged, instead of replacing the entire mattress, you can replace that one component. If you did need low air loss, you have the ability to provide low air loss to it at a fraction of the cost that most low air loss systems operate on. There's been a lot of people estimating that when you're renting a low air loss mattress, you can spend $1.50 to $2 a day just in power in that blower.
And it being a non-powered system, you're going to avoid, as Lester talked about, the unnecessary energy cost. But in addition to that, you've got power cords snaking across the floors. You've got a power unit at the end of the bed that needs maintenance. Filters need to be cleaned. They're loud. They generate heat. All those things will be eliminated. So your resident will get a higher quality therapy, more therapeutic, more cost effectively. Contact us today at 1-800-392-0955 to learn the many other advantages of this unique product. Or visit our website at www.genesis-med.com. Genesis Medical, bringing support to the surface.